Okay. Why'd you throw it?
I got it.
You got it. Look at that. 4 flies at one shot. This is a sticky, yellowy sheet. Kind of like a glue trap for mice, except it catches flies. So look at, oh, it's actually still trying to move. Are you gonna put it out of its misery? Okay, on this video I'm gonna show you these little sticky sheets.
Put a little wine, beer, or vinegar to get the smell on the sheet, and no fly will resist.
So you kind of hang them even outside on a string, and then any fly that gets attracted, it's gonna get stuck on it. Now we caught one fly mid-flight, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to catch flies. There you go. You don't need to do mid-flight. We're absolutely just caught it by touching. There you go. See, just pick it up and they get stuck. And right there, there's a fly. Flies that are sticky. Here, you just basically. There you go. And stuck. Highly recommended little sheets. And you can suspend them from the air too.